ECOWAS heads of state are to hold another extraordinary summit on the political situation in the Republic of Niger. Nigeria President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is also the chairman of the Authority of Heads of State and Government of ECOWAS, has convened another extraordinary summit of the authority on the political crisis in the Republic of Niger. The summit will take place in Abuja on Thursday, August 10. The ECOWAS leaders will be considering and discussing the recent developments in Niger after a coup ousted President Mohamed Bazoum. ECOWAS has warned that it will take what it calls all necessary measures if Bazoum is not reinstated. However, Niger's military leaders remain defiant. They have closed airspace and put border forces on high alert. They say that Niger is ready to defend itself and they are warning against any foreign aggression. Landlocked Niger is more than twice the size of France, and many flight paths across Africa would normally pass through its airspace. Air France has suspended flights to and from Burkina Faso and Bamako in Mali, which both border Niger, until Friday, and warned that some flight times would increase. The ECOWAS spokesperson said yesterday that the bloc would hold the extraordinary summit in Abuja, the Nigerian capital where its headquarters are located. The 15-nation bloc has taken a harder stance on the Niger coup, the region's 7th in 3 years, than it did on previous ones. ECOWAS defense chiefs had agreed on Friday on a possible military action plan if the detained president Mohamed Bazoum was not released and reinstated, although they said operational decisions would be decided by their respective heads of state. However, the bloc is not united. The military governments in Mali and Burkina Faso, both ECOWAS members, have promised to come to the defense of their counterparts in Niger if needed. A fracture within ECOWAS and escalation of the standoff with Niger would further destabilize one of the world's poorest regions, which is already facing a hunger crisis and armed groups that have killed thousands of people and displaced millions.